Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, I'm here at the Oliver Sawyer Yards, and I'm looking at this beautiful B2 floor plan. B2, we've already seen it and kind of walked through this part, but now, hey, let's walk through and see the bedrooms. So there's bedroom number 1 over here, really pretty bedroom. Beautiful actually bedroom. You got a lot of space in here. You can absolutely put a king bed if you want, queen, whatever. You've got a really nice window that looks out. That's looking out over the pool area in this case. This is a beautiful bathroom. You've got a dual sink, beautiful bathroom here. You've got a really, really nice tub here and a shower. You got both. So you also have a really nice closet. This is a, I'd say it's an A- closet because it has so many storage spaces. It's a really nice closet. And by the way, to have both the shower, the tub and the shower, that's more kind of high-rise quality. That's really nice. We're gonna walk past here and then we're gonna go see the other bedroom just real quick. This is what this bedroom looks like. It's also a good size. I really like all the window space that's here. And then here's the closet space here. The closet's really, really nice. It has a lot of storage too. So I'd say it's a B, maybe B+ closet. Pretty good storage in there. And then here's the bathroom. So the bathroom is good. It has a nice space in here. And I like it that it has the walk-in shower. So really, really nice. I hate it when the master has this great setup and then the guest bedroom is like, wah, 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 just does not have a great setup. But this is a good one. Hey, this is a beautiful floor plan. This is meant for a lot of fun. You would have a great experience here at the Oliver. It's a premium place and it's a fun place. It's so quick to get to stuff. And so just pour yourself a glass of wine and then give me a call. Send me a text and say, hey, Grant, I really want to tour that Oliver. That looks pretty cool. I'll set up a tour for you. We can do a virtual on an iPhone. We can do in person, whichever you want. We can also set up multiple apartments so you can see those at any time too. So you could set up and see 4 or 5 all in one day on your phone or live, so or in person live. So anyway, send me that text. Just say hi. That's my number below, and we'll talk. And I look forward to hearing from you.